All right, another unboxing. The internet needs more unboxings, so we're doing another one. This is Mystery Tackle Box, August 2018. So first, you're gonna guess what's gonna be in it. All right, it's August.
Are we in
midsummer,
ice fishing?
late summer? No. You want to tell them what your fishing experience is?
Zero experience.
Well, you can't say that.
I catch some
I
things.
drag her fishing every once in a while.
I catch some things sometimes.
Yeah, she rakes them in pretty good.
I caught a catfish once.
When was that?
A catfish?
Oh yeah, you did. Yeah.
I did catch a catfish.
Yeah. Channel catfish. So, okay, so I take her fishing every once in a while. Just think logically about what would be in a tackle box right now. What do the fish want right now? Tell me that. That's what's gonna be in here.
What do the fish want? I mean, obviously a spinnerbait.
Sure.
Green and black.
Okay.
I mean, obviously there's gonna be a worm in there. Could be a lizard. Actually, I'm gonna go with a lizard
Okay.
because it's different. And it's unique.
I haven't gotten a lizard out of Mystery Tackle Box, so that'd be something.
Is that the right thing? A lizard? You know,
I
those
would bet
thing
that
with the big head and the little crawly things. You
the
know?
claws. That's a
You know.
crayfish.
Oh, maybe crayfish.
Okay.
No, I'll go with
Not
a
a
lizard though. I'll go with a
Yeah.
lizard
Okay.
because that's fun and different.
So a spinnerbait and a lizard. Probably got
Hooks.
two
I mean,
more
there's
things.
obviously gonna be hooks. in
Okay,
there.
I
There's
don't
always
think that
hooks.
counts. There's generally like 4 baits, so you got 2 baits so far. The hooks.
I'll
don't
go
really
with a
count.
frog
Okay.
because the lily pads are out. By the way, you should go check out that video.
Right there.
Dance on the dogs.
Oh, I was thinking of a different one.
Oh.
But, okay. Anyways, one other
I
thing.
guess I'll go with a black frog.
Okay.
Is that
okay.
a thing?
Yeah,
black,
yeah.
Black with white
White polka dots.
Yeah, white polka dots.
Okay.
I need another thing.
One more thing. Think soft plastic. There's generally 2 soft plastics. So you had the lizard, right?
Then I'll go with the crawdaddy things.
Crawdaddy things. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, crawdaddy things. Color? You got a color on the crawdaddy things?
Brown.
Okay, brown
with
crawdaddies.
like gold or red specks. I
Let's
leisure fish.
let's open this box. So I
don't
think what
competitive
do I think is going to be in here now that you made your predictions?
Now that you're using my ideas.
Yeah,
for
now
yours.
that you've given me ideas. I don't think there's going to be a frog, but I think there's going to be something very similar.
A
Maybe
topwater.
Yes, a topwater, exactly. But I think it will be weedless. I think it'll be like a frog, but it'll be like a bluegill or something, like a hollow body bluegill.
Oh,
You know what I'm saying?
yeah.
A shaky head plastic, probably about that long.
What's a
Not a
shaky
shaky head. Drop shot is a small worm, about anywhere from like this long to like this long. I'm guessing it's gonna be about this long. Some sort of specialized swim bait. It's gonna be just like a single swim bait, kind of white shad color, and then a giant worm, 10-inch worm. Although 10-inch worms wouldn't really even fit into this box. 10-inch worm.
So I'll still go with it.
Guggen baits? You think there'll be some Guggen baits in here?
That'd be interesting.
Alright, should we open this?
I mean, I'm pretty excited.
Oh, we got a sticker.
Boom!
What kind of sticker we
Oh
got?
my gosh, that's funny.
Oh, it's got hair on it. I wonder if this is Carl's hair.
Gross. Dude, we are so wrong with
Alright.
this.
Boop. Not really.
Yeah.
I said something like a frog, but not a frog.
This is not even close.
That's
though.
it's a hollow body topwater weedless.
It is a duck.
Yeah, it's a duck. That is pretty cool though. I don't have anything like that. What is that?
A crank X.
So it's a square bill.
Oh.
Nice little square bill perch pattern. It's a square bill. See the bill is squared off. See the bill?
Oh!
It's like squared off.
Wrong.
That's interesting. Yeah, we were totally wrong on that, but that's cool. I love
There's a
those.
scratch off.
Free
Free
shipping.
shipping.
Come on,
I'm sure
Carl.
we have a lot.
It's a swim bait. Swim bait. I was wrong on the number of swim baits and the specialty of them, but it is a swim bait nonetheless.
Coffee?
Coffee scent. Yeah. So what do we got there?
Rage tail.
Hey, it's a little crayfish thing. You were right on that. Didn't you guess crayfish? Crawdaddy.
Crawdaddy. So I was like completely like there's not a single thing that I had right.
Yeah, right. You said crayfish. And there is purple in the swim bait. I said purple.
Let's see this. We're gonna have to color analyze this. There's purple in this bait.
Cool.
Okay, well
That's
that.
that. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Watch the other videos.
Below, or over here, or
Yeah.
over there. Over here? There?
I don't know. Everywhere.
Wherever they're at.